is Veena from Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's where you'll find quick and tasty recipes for new cooks and those with less time to spend in the kitchen. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome back. Today I have yet another Diwali special recipe for you. It's my quick, no-fail, crisp chakli recipe. What's great about today's instant chakli recipe is that it's made with just a few ingredients and takes hardly any time from start to finish. Besides, I have useful tips for you at the end of this video, so stay tuned. But now, let's dive straight into making our instant and crisp chaklis right here at Cake. Now a few tips for you. For this recipe, there cannot be a fixed quantity of water, for it depends upon the variety of rice the flour was made from. So add it very carefully when you make the dough. The dough should neither be soft and sticky nor too firm and crumbly. If it's too firm, the dough strand will keep breaking as you press out the chaklis. In that case, add a little more water to it. If it's too soft, the chaklis you press out will not have a proper shape and won't have distinct spikes. In that case, add a little more rice flour to the dough. The temperature of the oil is important. If it's too hot, the chaklis will quickly turn brown from the outside but not cook properly inside. If it's not hot enough, the chaklis will take longer to fry, absorb more oil and not become crisp. Fry just one chakli first and check its texture after it cools for around 10 minutes. If it's too dense and not crunchy, then make the dough a little firmer by adding some more rice flour to it. And don't fry too many chaklis in one batch. They need enough room to fry properly. Chaklis are a crunchy treat you could enjoy any time of the year and not just during Diwali. So do give this recipe a shot. You'll be so delighted with your homemade crisp chaklis. All the same, if you need more guidance related to making chaklis or just want to show your appreciation, please put that in the comments box, okay? Hope you enjoyed today's video and do stop by again for yet another quick and tasty recipe. Till then, take care, happy cooking!